Well, we're on Union Beach and it's private oyster lease. Illegal to harvest oysters without authorization. I bought some oysters already, so we're all set. These are the oysters that I bought right from the coast, right at the factory. Now the oyster salesman guy said we could wrap them in bacon or barbecue them on shells, get some of their old oyster shells and use them. What we're going to do is fry some bacon and then saute the oysters in that. That'll be close enough. Looks like we're going to wind up with more of a stir fry than bacon wrapped oysters, but I think that'll be fine. We're just going to see how much grease we can wind up with here and then fry the oysters in that. Should be totally keto, that's for sure. Well, now we're going to add the oysters. See how this works. There you go. They're cooking. They're starting to cook a little bit better now. They're starting to look a bit done, really. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Well, look at that. That's road food for you. Fresh BC Island road food. Time to plate that up. Oh yeah. I'm still alive, so it's time for round 2. Here we go. Ow! They really spit at you. They're all in the pan now with some more bacon. They're really starting to cook now. Boy, and they're delicious. Really fresh, right from the ocean. Well, now it's time to plate that up. Wow. And we've got some fresh picked berries to go with them too. Man, oh man, this is the life. Bella's Vistas, thanks for visiting. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.